Oh, I should have brought gloves. I'm jumping rope in a narrow space, so this really helps to enforce good technique. If you jump rope in a confined area or a narrow space like this, you can't afford to move your upper arms too far away from your body. Once you start moving your upper arms away from your body, the rope is going to hit the side here. So this forces you to keep your upper arms close to the sides of your upper body, which is what you want to do when you jump rope. So if you're learning how to jump rope, it can be a good idea to practice in a confined space like this. I spent a lot of the day inside, so it's great to get outside and get a good workout in, even when the weather's cold. I like the variability in the temperatures. Spent a lot of time indoors today, so it's quite warm. Now it's great to get outside, get out into the cold air. Imagine how nice that warm shower is going to feel later. Oh, the air is so fresh. Fantastic. As you can see, I got some ankle weights on. Each one is 1.5 kilos. Because I was planning on jumping rope here today, I knew I couldn't really do anything fancy, so I wanted to add a little more resistance with the ankle weights. Oh, it's beautiful. Surrounded by mountains here. Dogs barking in the background. Someone's out taking their dogs for a walk, I guess. Just because it gets cold, we can't stop getting outside, getting some fresh air, getting some exercise. Looking forward to going home later and having a great meal. Boards are great for jumping on. Ooh, breeze behind my back sure is cold. A lot of reading earlier, and any day I do a lot of mental activities. I also love to do some physical stuff. I guess a lot of you have seen the Floyd Mayweather video he posted recently where he got into an octagon. It's creating a bit of noise now. I wonder will he fight Conor McGregor again? Maybe in a boxing ring? Who knows? Interestingly, I also saw a video of Roy Jones Jr. doing some shadow boxing at the UFC headquarters. Maybe he'll fight Anderson Silva. Who knows? 2018 could be a very interesting year for fight fans.